7 minus 7 gives us 0, right? And then we have another 7 minus 7 also gives us 0, and 0 times 0 or times any number gives us 0. But this is not the correct answer. This is a wrong answer because you fell for a trap, for a big trap, hook, line, and sinker. And this is the trap of order of operations. So if you're asking yourself if there is any order of operations, I'll have to tell you, yes, there is an order of operations, and it is called PEMDAS. So let's learn PEMDAS. PEMDAS is an acronym. P stands for parentheses. E stands for exponents. M stands for multiplication. D stands for division. A stands for addition. And finally, S stands for subtraction. This gives us an arrow of priority from highest to the lowest priority. PEMDAS, oh, that's not beautiful. Okay, but anyway, PEMDAS means that you must go for parentheses at first, then go for exponents, then go for multiplication and division from left to right. So MD or DM does not matter. They have the same priority. And again, go for addition and subtraction from left to right. So that being said, let's revisit our original problem. Your mistake was that you thought 7 minus 7 is paired, and also the last 7 minus 7, you thought these are paired. That was just an optical illusion, but we have subtraction, multiplication, subtraction. According to PEMDAS, multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction. And there is no parenthesis. So we must do multiplication at first. So 7 minus 7 times 7 gives us 49, and then minus 7. So we have just subtractions. We can go from left to right. Obviously, you can cancel this 1 7 and this 7 out. The answer is minus 49. But if you go from left to right, so 7 minus 49 gives us minus 42, and minus 42 minus 7 gives us minus 49 again. And that's the only answer. So please make sure to drop your answers in the comments below. As your homework, what would the answer be if we had the last 7 minus 7 inside the parentheses and a square? So make sure to drop it in the comments below. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel to support and motivate me, and see you on our next video.